A bit of a night forage we're doing at the moment for Blewits. Especially under holly. Just be careful where you know where you're going, not because of anything else, but if there's a drop or a cliff, you can't hold me responsible. When you're at night, it's very Jurassic, isn't it? Jurassic. Waiting for a rat to come out and get you. Give these Blewits. Oh yeah, Jane, what are these? These are horseshoe fungus. It's the one you can carry a spark with. We'll have a go at one of those. I think I've got one at home.
You can make a hat, which is more.
That's a bit weird. How do you make a hat out of that?
Amadou.
Probably can't hear that. There's a screech. No, it's not a screech owl.
Screech owl behind you.
Yeah. Gonna make our way to the edge of the wood. See if we can see any deer. We heard them rutting before. So we just come for a bit of a late forage, and look what we found. Beautiful Blewits. There's some more somewhere. You have to be careful because another one. Is he too old?
Yeah.
Okay. We've got some little ones over here. That's not a Blewit, is it? Are these Blewits? Oh yeah. Nibbled.
Try and pick the... That's it.
There's no one. Oh, look at them, Jane, over there. Nice, beautiful ones.
Yeah.
There, look, one there.
One there. Oh yeah, all the way around. Look, nice little ring. Yeah, it's probably a bit.
There we go. There. See the ring? Look at them. Beautiful. Get a few of them. They're smaller than the end of the tree. One here. You see any more? This one's too small.
That one.
Yeah.
No, he's done his business. Ah, look, Sluggy McSlug face is having him. Don't think so.
Get him before the slug gets him.
There's a baby one there.
Well, that one over there, Jane.
I'm leaving him.
Oh, the big one at the end.
It's not big. He's not ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
There we go. So that's what we're doing. It's done this evening. I had a bit of forage. We're going to have these. We haven't these for breakfast. So we're going to cook it with our pork.
Bacon and Blewits, you can't beat.
Went foraging last night and bingo. We had a good mother load. I'm not too sure on this one. I think we're just going to discard him. He is a Blewit, but he's slightly different colour, so we're just going to get rid of him. But the rest you can't be mistaken. Look at the colour. And these are beautiful. So I'm going to trim the bases off. We're going to put them in the wood. That means spreading the spores around. And then we're going to have a Blewit and bacon butty. Trim the bases. Put them to one side. What you can do when you pull the bases off is you check for maggots as well. And they're clean. I can show you that. Hold on one second. Let's get even this big one has been eaten a bit. Right, if we pull that off. Put my glasses on and I'll show you this now. You can see, if we can focus into that. There, see that? No holes. So that means she's clean. And that's it. Just I'll keep doing these, then we'll cook these up. We're going to have a bacon and Blewit butty. Heat down a little bit. Look at that, look at the colour. Beautiful. Hey, that's better. going to sprinkle on a little bit of Himalayan salt. A fraction. There we go. These are one of my favourite mushrooms, Blewits. By the way, please don't pick mushrooms or anything if you're not sure. We've been on a couple of courses. Doesn't mean we're experts, and I'm not telling anybody what to do, but yeah, you have to be ultra vigilant, okay? There's about 10 species we know which are safe. There's thousands in the UK which you can eat, but I'm not going to tell you which ones. You'll have to find out for yourself, so you need to buy a book. I can put a link in the description down below, one of the books that we use, which is absolutely brilliant, but the choice is yours, okay? Do not copy what I'm doing. It's just we've had these before and we know they're totally safe, okay? No power. I'm not joking, the smell of the Blewits and then the bacon, it's absolutely amazing. And there we go, I'll get that cooked now. Just noticed I'm running low on tomato ketchup and chili, so Jane loves tomato ketchup, I'll have the chili. Beautiful. Just really into that. So it's a round each and a tail each. There we go. Oh, look at them. Look at the colour. Absolutely gorgeous. Seriously, if you've never had these, you need to try them. But like I said, make sure you're 100% sure. Not let any of them go. It's mainly autumn time, this time of the year now, and after a frost you get them. So, there you go. That's it. I'll give you a nice close-up of the ultimate bacon and mushroom butty. So, Blewit and bacon. We'll taste it in a minute, and then I'll let you know what it tastes like. Okay, before Jane comes, I'll just try a Blewit. Unbelievable. You wouldn't, honestly, you cannot describe the taste. It's unique to them. Really is. unmistakable flavour. Oh, beautiful. You actually don't need any of this on, to be honest with you. I'm not going to put any on because they taste that nice. I haven't put any sauce or anything on. There's some sauce there, but I just thought you'd like to try it as it is because the Blewits are beautiful. Yeah?
You try one.
Yeah. Amazing. Right. This is absolutely to die for.
It's our annual Blewit and bacon.
Yeah, I said yeah. Oh, come on. If you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe button over there. Up and coming videos over here. Take care, we'll catch you in the next video. All the best. Bye. Oh, try this too. Beautiful. I've got the bits over there to scatter.